Shingle exposure may seem simple, but it's an important concept for roofers and homeowners alike. Shingle exposure is the part of the shingle that you see after a roof installation is complete. It's the part of the shingle that is left exposed to the elements and not covered by the shingle above it. Since it's the part of the shingle that shows, many homeowners select specific colors or designs to increase curb appeal, add the illusion of depth, and really make the roof stand out. Professional roofers will want to know that shingles with a larger exposure are typically faster to install because they usually need fewer shingles per square. And homeowners will want to know that these shingles can cover the roof faster, meaning the install will take less time and the labor will cost less. IKO's Nordic, Dynasty, and Cambridge laminate shingles have a 5 7/8 inch exposure, which is 1/4 inch larger exposure than most competitor brands. This generous differentiator contributes to IKO's true square advantage, our commitment to manufacturing a product that saves you materials, labor costs, and time. That's right, with Dynasty, Nordic, and Cambridge shingles, you can install roofs up to 10% faster. Shingle exposure impacts both the roof's wind resistance and aesthetics, so a roofer will have to install each shingle correctly to achieve its wind resistance warranty. Shingle exposure is also important when you're installing a new roof over an old roof. Remember, when re-roofing, it may not be wise to simply install the new shingles on top of the existing shingled roof. In part, there's a risk that the new shingles have a different exposure than the old shingles. In that case, the new shingles may not seal properly and are at risk to deform. While it may be a relatively common approach, removing the old shingles first will almost always give you a better quality roof. If you want to learn more about your specific shingle's proper exposure, be sure to read its installation instructions. For your convenience, all of this information is easily accessible on our website. If you're looking to learn more from IKO, subscribe to our channel.